2016 to 2020 Chevy Malibu wheel brake replacement. Let's start by removing our brake rotor returning screw. Before we do that, let's tap it with a hammer like this, so you can break the rust free from it. And let's remove our caliper bolt. It is a 14mm. It's best if you use a wrench like this, a ratcheting wrench. By the way, guys, you'll need a special tool to compress the caliper. I'll post the link in the comment section below for what I use to do this. That brake replacement is for the Malibus with the manual parking brakes. That, as you guys see here, that Malibu, it has a manual one, not electronics. No special, no skin tool required for this one, but you do need a special tool to compress that caliper. Don't attempt to compress that caliper without that special tool. So now let's remove our caliper bolt. It is 18mm. We can use a regular ratchet in the 18mm or use an air gun like this to take it out. Checking out on the pin, make sure they move freely. Now let's remove our rotor. Ooh. Let's clean the hub. We can use a wire brush like this or use the cookie wheel to remove the rust off of it. And let's take our brake hardware off and clean the channels with the wire brush. Let's re-grease our pins so they can move freely. These are new parts. All of those are in the comment section below. Here's our brake rotor, ready to go. Our brake rotor returning screw, C30. And let's put our brake hardware in. It's pretty easy. Let's grease our brake pad. Brake pad number 1. And brake pad number 2. So make sure you put a little bit of lube on that caliper. I'm gonna use the special tool right there to compress that caliper. We're gonna use the white adapter for it. What it does, you're gonna twist the caliper and it's going to push it in. You need some effort for it. I could hold the camera while doing it. You need 2 hands to do this. As you guys see here, I pushed the piston all the way back down, and now the caliper is ready to go in. If I didn't do that, it will not go in. It will not. And as you guys see, you need a 17 and a 14 to tie those bolts. Thanks for watching, guys.